All right, let her go.
Yeah. Is that a video camera too and pictures?
Yep.
He's supposed to go back over there. Hey, Mom.
What?
That's a good place to practice turning.
Okay.
And over there, right?
Right. She is on the go.
Uh-oh. You don't want to step on these, do you? These feel like play toys.
They probably are. All right, go watch her. Go watch her. Help her turn around, okay?
First, we gotta see if there's any thorns.
Careful, Morgan.
Okay.
All right, she's okay. Have her turn around.
When you know how to walk in shoes, then you can go over there. Except for through the plants. Let's see if you can go back over there. Oh, Mom?
What?